If Telegram is showing the internal PC error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get things working again quickly. This is a common issue when Telegram has a connection problem, a bad network cache, or something on your computer is blocking the app from connecting properly. We're going to go step by step and I'll show you exactly what to do. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign out of your account. To do that, go to Settings, then click the three dots in the top corner and choose Log Out. This helps clear out any temporary session issues that could be causing the error. Once you've logged out, close Telegram completely so it isn't running in the background, and next, we're going to flush your DNS cache. This can fix connection problems if your computer is holding onto old or broken network information. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now, in the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. That means your system has cleared the old network records and is ready to reconnect more cleanly. After that, we'll reset your TCP IP settings. In the same command prompt window, type netsesh winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets part of your network stack and can solve deeper connection issues that may be affecting Telegram. Once it finishes, Windows will usually tell you that you need to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart right away so the changes can take effect. When your computer starts back up, open Telegram again and sign in to see if the error is gone. In many cases, these network resets are enough to fix the problem. But if you still get the same internal PC error, there's one more thing you should check. Disable any active VPN or proxy settings. Sometimes, Telegram can't properly connect to its servers if a VPN, proxy, or network filter is interfering with the connection. Turn off your VPN completely, and if you're using a proxy, disable that too. Then try opening Telegram again on your normal internet connection. This is especially important if the app was working before and suddenly started showing the error after a network change. Once you've done all of those steps, Telegram should reconnect normally and the internal PC error should be resolved. If it still doesn't work after that, you may want to try restarting your router, updating Telegram, or checking if your firewall or antivirus is blocking the app. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.